two best pitchers are gone. They've run out 29 different pitchers.
Here's some solutions
to
the fraction worksheet that you might want to check your answers.
And they're in the thick of the wild card race, and I think this week could start making their charge. With these 7 games, I think the Rangers should go 5-2, maybe even 6-1. I think they establish themselves as a factor heading into September. They have to get some separation between themselves and 500. They've been flirting with 500 for great, and that's where they've been for the last 2 months. Up and down, a game under, game over, 500. No, they've got to get some separation, and this is the week to do it.
And we had that note earlier, courtesy of an email. The Rangers have been outscored by 29 runs for the season. Usually teams outscored by 29 aren't 3 games over 500.
I'd say Banish's done an amazing job keeping this thing together through all they've gone through. They lose Beltry for 19 games and they won 11 of them. But how do you lose your cleanup hitter for 19 games?
Well,
in 11-8.
As we mentioned yesterday, Goose, it's hard to remember, but when the season started, the Rangers' end game was shippers setting up the leads. Really?
Well, take it even further into the 5th and 6th innings. They've completely bombed out their bullpen.
Yeah.
They got a new closer, they got new setup men, they got new, the 6th and 7th inning guys. And these guys have found some smoke. I don't think you're going to see the type of pitching that you saw in April from this bullpen.
Well, the last thing here is, at long last, crossing your fingers for Derek Holland, at long last, everybody but you is now available to the Rangers for a starting situation.
You just wish that they were back to where their healthy selves were. It's taken Perez a little while to work himself back in. It's going to take Holland a little while to work himself back in.